Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CompTIA 601. Lesson 02, Attacks, Threats, and Vulnerabilities. In this lesson, we will explore the various types of attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities that can compromise the security of systems and networks. 1. Attacks. Definition: an attack is an unauthorized attempt to access, manipulate, or disable a computer system or network. Types of attacks. Malware, software designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Phishing, a fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity. Denial of service, DOS, an attack that disrupts the normal functioning of a network or system by overwhelming it with traffic. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, an attack where an attacker intercepts communication between two parties without their knowledge. Spoofing, a technique used to impersonate another user or device on a network. Brute force, an attack that attempts to guess passwords or encryption keys through trial and error. 2. Threats. Definition: a threat is a potential danger that can exploit a vulnerability to breach security and cause harm. Types of threats. Insider threats, threats that originate from within an organization, such as employees or contractors. External threats, threats that come from outside the organization, such as hackers or cyber criminals. Advanced persistent threats, APTs, sophisticated, long-term attacks aimed at compromising a specific target. 3. Vulnerabilities. Definition: a vulnerability is a weakness in a system or network that can be exploited by an attacker. Common vulnerabilities. Software vulnerabilities, weaknesses in software code that can be exploited to gain unauthorized access. Configuration vulnerabilities, incorrectly configured systems that can be exploited due to misconfigurations. Human vulnerabilities, weaknesses in human behavior that can be exploited through social engineering attacks. Understanding these attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities is crucial for developing effective security measures and protecting against cyber threats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.